Oh, we got our package today. What is it?
We got something.
A most anticipated package.
It's like a box.
It is.
A car.
It's like a box.
Wood in a box. So we can make a car.
It looks like it just pulls right off, right?
Yeah, right. We'll see. Oh, 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 oh. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, what's this?
You put it in here.
Okay, hold on.
What's this? Emma,
Sorry.
stop.
Goodness.
Stop.
I think the kids are excited much. Oh, it's packed with purple foam. Perfect for the RV.
We can reuse that.
Reuse, recycle, something.
That's right. We could use that in the RV for some insulation.
Insulation.
You think they do that on purpose?
I don't know.
Maybe. Charlie, hold on, honey.
How a battle box does, they give you the
Okay.
Yeah.
finger.
Fire starter's packaging.
It's
there.
open.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Charlie, get ready.
Or not.
It's Kimberly. She's just so beautiful.
Sure about that?
Okay. Yeah, that's how it sits in there.
Wow.
Ooh, ah.
Smaller than I expected.
It's not supposed to be very big. It's supposed to be small.
Look at this.
You should still be last.
Ashtray.
No, well, kind of. I guess the ashtray. Yeah.
Surprise.
Broken.
Broken ashtray. No. Yeah, put it in the hands of a child. It'll break in 3 minutes.
Ah, Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas memories.
Look at my video now.
Okay, stop, honey. Don't force it. Don't force it. Let Daddy do it, please.
Not to touch.
No, probably not.
Force it.
Oh, what's that?
Charlie. Charlie, you make a better door than a window. Thank you, baby.
Hey. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Cool. So Charlie broke it.
No, that's
Yep.
it.
3 minutes after we opened the box.
Yeah.
New record.
Yeah. No idea what that is.
Stuffing. Back up. It's like the clown car. It just keeps coming out.
It never ends.
Wow. I think they burnt it.
No, honey. Mosquito.
Wait, there's mosquitoes in there?
No, Charlie. Oh no, it's Alaska. I'm sure there'll be
Eventually.
lots of mosquitoes around. Wow, and our height of our hearth is like almost exactly the same height as this. Thank you for hitting the camera, sweetheart.
Did she shut it?
Well, no.
Back up, Emma. Mom's all she sees is your hair.
All I see is her curly do. You got pretty curly hair? Yeah, I love your
I have
hair.
no idea where this goes.
Instructions?
That usually helps.
Wait, where are
Looks
the
like the grill of a Jeep or something.
The grill to a Jeep. I don't think they would have put that in there if it didn't have a purpose.
I'm gonna leave that alone.
Leave this guitar alone. Honey, look at the directions.
Not yet. It's not like I think. You wait.
Where are the directions?
There's little.
The directions in here. Oh, there they are.
Hey, Jay. Can you get the microwave, please?
I suppose I could.
Thank you, my love.
Do I have to?
Oh yeah, that goes there.
Yeah.
The ash catcher.
Emma, that's enough, please.
He's just doing the musical background. It's so shiny.
Yeah. If we use it for a while, it'll have a nice little patina on it.
Okay, so the stovepipe comes out the back, right?
Yep.
Okay, not the top. Okay.
What about the bottom?
I like how that fits here, though.
Doesn't fit at all.
Yeah, it's,
So it broke in.
I did not.
Okay, just let it be.
just let it be.
Let's
now.
just let it be. Thank you.
Maybe it'll fix itself.
It's wrong. It's monogrammed wrong.
I want to open it, Daddy.
That's not our letter of our name.
Well, there.
Oh, Emma.
We're gonna change your name then.
Goodness.
Kiddos.
Cool gels.
Well, it looks good in that place, doesn't it?
I like it. I think it's good with the background and everything. Looks awesome.
Back up, Charles.
I think we're done good, honey.
Happy birthday.
What do you think, little uns? First, now we gotta finish the base and all the piping and all that. But hey, it's there, and we're excited it's finally here. Time will tell how well it works. I'll have to let y'all know.
Yep. Centered.
Pipes back here.
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. Careful. Ghost will get it.
Oh, what's that? Instructions at the back?
Probably. You don't want to mess something like this. You don't want to mess something like this up. That's for sure.
Where are the instructions?
Lots of instructions.
Where do the instructions go? The picture instructions.
Huh.
What?
Huh. So, here, I guess later on after we get back with Dick from Scouts, I'll take a look at the base and see where we're going to put it.
Yeah. Oh, now we need to get the floor stuff done.
Yep.
Let's get the piping up underneath and get that part done and get it in place.
Oh, what's this?
What's what? A little circle cut out there that they put in. I don't know. It's permanent though. It's welded on, I think, so it doesn't go anywhere.
You'll be able to cook up
Good
here.
observation.
You can cook up here.
Oh, yeah.
And if we end up getting the house gets too hot or too dry,
Right.
we can put something up here
Put our
to.
kettle up there.
Pot of water.
Yeah.
Please don't throw things in there, Emma.
All right. I'm gonna clean up
All right. Sounds good.
and.
Let's have some grub. I'm hungry.
Yeah.